Hello everyone, Captain JC here, and today I will be answering 15 most frequently asked questions on my channel. This is to help you prepare on what to expect and to help you prepare on what to do if you want to have a career in the aviation industry or if you want to become a pilot someday. Okay, so here it is. First question: is it okay to start late? I'm 40 years old and I want a change of career. Short answer: yes, it's okay. The aviation industry, if you are already on your early 40s or late 40s, it's okay as long as you have the money. Because at that age, those institutions that offer scholarship programs, you might not be able to enroll yourself because of uh, your age. But to answer the question, it's okay. Number two, what is a good school to enroll here in the Philippines? So for those of you who are not familiar with me or this channel, I live in the Philippines and I work for Cebu Pacific, which is the biggest airline company here in the Philippines. If you want to enroll yourself here, there are a lot of schools. The schools that I have in mind are Alpha Aviation, Omni, and Pal Aviation. Those are big schools here in the Philippines and they have a long history of giving flight training to a lot of people, and a lot of guys in the airline industries come from their school. Alpha Aviation, I came there, I enrolled myself there to get the Airbus 320 rating, and I have to say I think they are the only institution right now that offers a complete package. That means from ab initio, which means you don't have any flying time under your logbook until you reach the Airbus rating. So that's it. Number three, how much is the salary? So this is a very controversial topic, but to give you an idea, if you are starting in the airlines, your basic salary will be from 60 to 90,000 pesos. That's your basic, but the bulk of your income will be coming from your flying time, or we call it productivity. Some company, they pay 500 to about 1,500 an hour, and you are allowed to fly up to 100 hours in a month, but of course you will not fly 100 hours in a month. That depends on the time of the year, because there are some lean and peak seasons within a year. So that's the ballpark figure. Number four, how is the working schedule? How many flights a day? Typically, we fly 4 legs a day. That means we do 4 takeoff and landings. Say for example, we fly from Manila to Zamboanga, then Zamboanga to Manila, and then fly again from Manila to Cebu, and then Cebu back to Manila. That's a typical day. Sometimes you only fly 2 legs, punta ka doon, then come back again. In a week, we fly about 5 days. We have about 2 days off in a week. That's the average. How difficult is the training? Training to become a pilot is not easy, but it is easier if you like what you do. And it's not like driving a car where you can just, park the car if something goes wrong. And training to become a pilot, you need to learn a lot of things. You need to learn about the weather, you need to learn the principles of flight, and a lot of things. So it's not easy, but it will be easy if you like what you're doing. Number 6 question, what are the medical requirements? And if you are colorblind, can you still qualify for a pilot license? As of now, I think you are not allowed to have a pilot license if you are colorblind. But I can be wrong, but that's what I know as of now. Of course, in this career, health is wealth. If you have something wrong with your lungs, if you have any disabilities, especially your eyes, your heart, you might not qualify to be given a medical license. Remember, we have 2 licenses that we maintain. One is in my case, the ATPL, the Airline Transport Pilot License, and also the medical certificate or medical license. The pilot license that I have, even though that is still valid, but if my medical license is not valid, then I cannot still fly an aircraft. Dapat pareho silang pasado. Number 7. Is getting any college degree related to aviation an advantage? Yes, it is a big advantage if your Bachelor of Science degree or your course in college is related to aviation. But it is not a guarantee that you will get a job in the airlines. This is a very competitive industry, and what you can only do is make yourself qualified on a lot of things and make your resume very good, so that when you present your resume to your employer, it will stand out. It will stand out among the competition. Number 8. What courses do you recommend? So, just like what I said, it is better for you to get any courses related to aviation or business. There's no really specific course that you need to get in college to be able to qualify for a pilot license. Number 9. Do you get to date the flight attendants? Oh. Yes, of course. So for those of you who are single and looking for love, if you are already in the airline industry, then you will have so many choices. Pero wag kang manloloko. That's the main thing. May karma sa buhay. Oh, number 10. Is there family time? Yes, definitely. There is family time. Sometimes you get to go on a layover, but during your day off, you're always with your family. It's the only problem is your day off might not fall during the weekends. But if you're thinking of family time, yes, there is. Number 11. Will you allow your kids to be on the same career? Of course. Actually, brainwash ko na sila. But if they want a different career, it's fine with me, as long as they have a career of their own. As long as they become a good citizen, good person, then that's fine with me. Any career that they choose, it's okay. But if they can be pilots, then it's much better. 12. Is it as good as starting an office job, salary-wise? It is a lot better. If you're going to start as a clerk, masaya ka na siguro kung yung sweldo mo ay sa abot ng mga 25,000 pesos. But like what I said before, dito mas malaki yung sweldo mo. But initially, your training also requires you to pay a lot during your flight lessons. Number 13. Where is the best country to get a flying lesson? Here in the Philippines, of course. 14. How much do I need to prepare if I will have to pay for my flight training? So, to give you an idea, you have to prepare. If you're going to pay for everything, that means no scholarship program, you have to pay for everything. You need to prepare about 4 to 5 million pesos. That includes everything already, your board and lodging and everything. So that's the estimate that I have. Number 15. Is there any other way to be an airline pilot if I don't have the money? Yes, you can join the Air Force first. And some institutions, they offer scholarship programs. Some airline companies, they offer cadetship program. I know my company, Cebu Pacific, is offering cadetship program. How to do it, I don't know yet. You have to call the HR. Maybe someday I'll make a video regarding that program. But that's one way for you to become a pilot. If you really want to achieve your ambition, then there are a lot of ways on how to do it. Huwag ka lang tamad. Okay? So that's it, guys. I hope I'm able to answer some of your questions. If you have more questions to ask from me, just put it on the comment below, and then I'll try to make another video to answer those questions. I don't like this video to be very long. I just want to be straight to the point so that you will have an idea on what to prepare and how to go about the things that you need to do. Thank you very much, and I hope for those of you who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. That will help me a lot. And always stay safe because of this crisis that we have right now. If you notice, I'm doing all my videos inside my room. So again, thank you very much and stay safe. Thank you.